going to see an important place at Uttarakhand. It is Kailas Ashram. We have with us Vedant Sevak Vasant Patil, who will be saying few words about the ashram. Over to you, Vasant.
Hari Om. Hari Om. Okay, what is the most essential part of our life without which we cannot live? Yeah, we will die other.
Water.
Water, yes.
Air.
Air.
Food.
Okay.
Oxygen.
Yes, very much essential.
Light.
Without light, you said.
Sunlight.
Sun. Okay. Something else is there which is very, very important. Without which we will be like dead vegetable. No, without Guru also people are living. Happily they are living. When Guru comes, read this stotra. Without parents also. See, something divine.
God. Spirituality. God.
Spirituality is also good, but some technical word I want.
Yeah.
Yes, translate in English. Like Jnana. Somebody said yes, knowledge. Without knowledge, we are like vegetable. Yes, vegetables are live but as though they are dead. So knowledge is the essential part, most essential part. Like if you don't know what is the link, what is the password, how to log in, this is what knowledge. Without knowledge, you are nothing. Okay, knowledge is very important part. So in our India, what is the origination of knowledge? You know, in our India, from where this knowledge started. We say Ganga is also a river, knowledge river. Like same way, knowledge also. Yeah, that is, we consider that. But from where we get knowledge? What was that ashram? From where Vivekananda studied? From where Gurudev studied? From where Kaponji Maharaj studied? That we are going to see now. Okay? Kailash, everybody know. What is Kailash? Kailash means what?
It is a mountain where Lord Shiva lives.
Is there somebody else also lives there?
Brahma.
Brahma is not many times mentioned, but Kubera. Okay, it is the place of Kubera.
Parvati.
Lord Shiva is there, so Parvati. It is Parvati. Okay. Yeah, Shiva, we got the answer. Now let us move ahead.
Ganesha.
Kailash Ashram. Yeah, mother, father is there means child will be there. Okay, Kailash Ashram is the place which is the source of knowledge. Like Kashi, Banaras and Kailash Ashram also. Where our Puja Gurudev studied. Where Swami Vivekananda also studied. About that we are going to see briefly. Kailash Ashram. What does ashram mean? Any idea? Gross idea? Okay. Shrama means
Place full of knowledge.
Okay. Do we call school as ashram?
It will be like hostel.
Oh, good idea. So today we will see the best definition of ashram. What ashram? Okay, let us move ahead. So Kailash means the place where Lord Shiva and Kubera reside. Right? See you, ashram word you see, Shrama means we all know. Shrama means fatigue, pain, going through so many things. That is called Shrama. And A means what? Limited. Ashrama means limited pain will be there. If you ever go to ashram, no study, free, no tuition, I'm free, no exam, no such thing in ashram. So limited shram, but you have to study more and more about scriptures. So Kailash Ashram means what? A Shiva where Lord Shiva is residing. Yeah.
and Uber.
Lord
Kumbar reside.
Kuber, you can say Kuber, who is the god of wealth. We all know god of wealth. Like Lakshmi also, Kubera also. Yeah. And ashrama means where limited pain is there. Shrama means pain and a means limited. Kailash ashram is also such place where Lord Shiva is residing, and where you after having gone there, then you have less and less pain. You read scriptures. We will see what activities we do there. Let us go ahead. Yeah, this is the place. Very beautiful place. This is the Lord Shiva's Adhishthana there. Adhishthana means Lord Shiva's Shivalinga is there, ancient. This is Shankaracharya ji. Murti is there along with 4 Shishyas. You know the name. I know you know. And these all are Mathadipatis. Means Mahamandaleshwar.
Mathadipatis.
It is called Mahamandaleshwar. Means great scholar. Like Chancellor, Vice Chancellor. It is like Ashram's Chancellor. Okay, and this is the front view of the ashram. You can see whole ashram is orange. Ochre cloth, ochre color. Yes, we'll go ahead. And Lord Hanumanji is also there. Beautiful ashram. We will see one by one aspect of this ashram. So from front view is this. This is the recent pic from where we have taken this picture. Actually, I have been there. Okay. Yeah. So who established Kailash Ashram? Very important thing. Swami Dhanaraj Giri was the root establisher of this ashram. You know, he came from a village and he situated near on the bank of Ganga. And then one king thought that great Mahatma is doing good work. Like Pavitra Amma, we all together come and learn. So who is arranging everything? Pavitra Amma. So she is doing great work. Like that Swamiji was doing great work. One king thought, oh, this is actually great work. Shouldn't we give him one nice land? And that king called Dhanaraj Giriji, Swami Dhanaraj Giriji, and he said, I am donating you this land to build a nice ashram here. You start teaching here. Same way our Pavai ashram, Tara Amma is there right now. She is 99-year-old. She saw Gurudev and she gave 7-acre land. 7 acre. Right now in Pavai, you all are smaller. The cost of land you can't imagine. So like that, king gave the land to Swami Dhanaraj Giriji. And in 1880 at Muniki Reti, this is the old name of Rishikesha, that place where ashram is. In 1880 at Muniki Reti Rishikesh, ashram was built. It is in Rishikesh only. And you know, Swami Vivekananda, as a part of his travel in North India, went to Rishikesh and also went to Kailash ashram. Like how we go to school, Swami Vivekananda, every day he went there and he studied. Yeah. There what do they do? Study of scriptures. Not any other activity, but study of the scriptures. Who established? Dhanaraj Giriji. One king donated the land. Yes, we'll go ahead. What is the purpose? Like we are doing this great glory of India. So some purpose is there. Behind anything, like you all have come here. What is the purpose? We want to have knowledge, fun, activity, and we should get chance to present something. Purpose is there. Without purpose, nothing is there. So Kailash Ashram, what is the purpose? There we study Vedas.
We study Vedas.
Yeah, Kailash Ashram activities include study of Vedas.
Study of Vedas.
If you go to some shop, you will not find particular text. Like if you go to any shop, any stationer, if you ask, give me Shankaracharyaji's Stotram, you will not get it easily. So this ashram does compilation, composition of all text, everything. They will publish that text, preserve also. All religious book. You will get all religious book if you go there. Next. initiation into sannyasa. There is one place, means this Rishikesh Kailash Ashram is the place where on every Shivratri they give sannyasa. Sannyasa means renunciation. Okay, those who are different kind of people, different kind of thinking, and they want to do something for society 24/7, they opt this kind of ashram life, which is also very good life. Ashram also has free homeopathic medical services. Ashram means not only you go and study scriptures, no. They give all other hospitality also. Today also I have seen that. Cow shelter is there. Behind that ashram, the cow shelter is also there, where so many cows are there. Original cows. You know, original cow means like different cows, not Jersey. Like how Krishna. Yeah, Goshala. The right word is Goshala. So if I want to tell you in nutshell what everything is this, I will tell Dharma Rakshan. What is the purpose of Kailash Ashram? Dharma Rakshan. Study scripture, preserve books, and give free services, and cow protection of cows also. Yes, we will go ahead. This is the entrance gate. Now we are actually going into ashram. You can feel that this is virtual journey in this ashram. So this is one entrance gate. As soon as you go there, this is temple. Okay, here all sannyasi, they come on right time. If session at 5 o'clock, they come at 4:55. Okay, so here the place is where we go inside. Temple is there. Whatever picture I showed you in the beginning, they are from this place. Okay, so you go here and slowly, so we came here, we go inside, we have darshanam of Lord Shiva. I will show the murti. And when you go from here they take all classes, nice classes, very serious thinking, which we all don't like in the beginning, but slowly you will like it. Okay, here if you go inside, there is cow shed behind also. Okay, we'll go ahead, you will understand brief. Here all sannyasi they live. Okay, this is the hostel where all sannyasi lives. Separate room for each sannyasi. And you know what is the important thing here? Only sannyasi can live there. Not you and me. In February month, we can go and live there, but only sannyasis are allowed, because this is meant for them only. They can live there. Okay, these are all the hostels suvidha. Okay, on the left hand side. Yeah, this is the Lord Shiva's murti there. Yeah, one Swamiji is doing puja here. This is the murti from Kailash Ashram. Very nice murti. Shivalinga here. Okay, so this is the inner darshanam. This is the Acharya right now, who is Mahamandaleshwar. Acharya Mahamandaleshwar Vidyananda Giri. Very scholar, like Shankaracharya, close to Shankaracharya ji. Like all sutra, bhashya, everything they know. So this is the one Acharya will be there, Mahamandaleshwar. That is Vidyananda Giri right now. Okay, students are also sannyasi. You can see they are doing prarthana, and we should all pictures should be available, so that one Swamiji is also clicking the picture. Okay, and this is the another view of this ashram. Kailash Ashram has 12 branches in India. In Uttar Kashi, where our ashram is there, Chinmay Mission Ashram, near to that another Kailash Ashram, big Kailash Ashram is also there. Do visit river of knowledge. So one river is Ganga. Okay, water is flowing. But another river of knowledge is this Kailash Ashram, from where the knowledge is flowing. We must visit here. How to go? Very easy. From Mumbai, if you are from Mumbai, then from Mumbai you take train to Haridwar. From Haridwar, 21 kilometers. Directly in the lap of Ganga. And where is Kailash Ashram? Right in front of that Ganga river.
Right in front of Sir, there is no branch in Banaras.
I don't think so. Banaras itself is a great place of education. Before Kailash, Banaras is on first number. Kashi, Banaras, great scholars are there. So no need there. But in Uttar Kashi, our Kailash Ashram Rishikesh, there is this very resourceful place that will actually once in a life we should go there. We must go there. You will enjoy blue Ganga. Okay, you have never seen such kind of water. It is not water, it is divine water. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Vasantji, for taking us on a virtual tour to the ashram. We all are blessed to see the ashram.